Hello, welcome to the tutorial for the ATV Tire and Wheel Builder selector. You can access this in a couple of different ways, and I'm going to go through those really quickly for you. First of all, you can look up, if you know the part number specifically of the kit that you're going to buy, you can type it in the quick lookup field on the WPS orders. Type your part number. It will show you a screen that tells you the stock we have on hand. We build kits in Idaho, Indiana, Tennessee, and Pennsylvania. And you can see that this one has stock in all those locations. You can also look up in the tab at the top, there's a fitment. You can see the fitment for that particular kit. You can click on the application listed below and see the detail applications that it will fit. You can go to the Components tab to see what tire and wheel fit into this kit, and it shows you the stock locations. And now you can see that there's stock in our California warehouse, but when you looked at the detail page, it says 0 in California. That's because we don't build kits there. If you want to go ahead and add it to the cart here, you can click on quantity, select the quantity, 2 in this case, and add it to cart. And once that's added, you can go to your cart and see it. If you wanted to add another kit, you can do it right here from this particular section. You can go right over to the quantity, type 2. I'm going to add the rear part of this kit. If you tab over instead of returning, you can see the quantity in stock in each warehouse on your left, and then you can add it to the cart if that's what you're looking for. Notice this one is out of stock in Memphis, whereas the rear kit was in stock in Memphis. If you are ordering and you are closest to Memphis, it will take one of those from Memphis and it'll take the other one from the next closest warehouse, which could either be Pennsylvania or Indiana. Another option is to use the ATV Tire and Wheel Kit Selector button on the home page of WPS orders. And this is if you need to find the numbers for kits that you do not know because they're not in the catalog, or if you want to figure out what stuff will fit a machine. You can click either ITP kits or Sedona kits. Currently we do not mix and match. You can either click the Sedona Kits button or the ITP Kits button. In this case, we'll use the Sedona Kits button for an example. Both function exactly the same. If you want to check by vehicle, you can click on the top section for vehicle make. The next section down is for by tire, and the third section is by wheel. If you already know what kind of wheel, and your customer's standing there and he goes, I want to have a Mamba wheel, you click on Mamba wheels. If he knows he wants to have a ripsaw tire, you click on ripsaw tire. And that narrows your search field over to your right down to kit numbers that fit that particular wheel and tire. But then you can narrow it even further by selecting the size. The size of, let's see your wheel. Say you want 14-inch wheels. That narrows it further. Then on your tire, you can select, say you want 27-inch tires. That narrows it even further. At this point, then you would select, I think to get it even further down, go to the bolt pattern, in this case 4 and 110, and there you go. You got 2 options, and this is the options that'll fit a front 27.914 front and 27.1114 rear, and you can just add those to cart and proceed on with your order. So when if you're going to place an order for kits, they must be placed on the web in order to be built in our system. Tire and wheel kits are not stocked individually as kits. They are stocked as pieces, and we only assemble them when an order is placed. And they must be placed through the web. So when you call, if you call instead of using the web, please tell the order entry clerk or your salesman when you're placing your order that they need to use the web to place this order because it's going to have kits